on the phones, dawg. We speak waves about you. Coming home soon, ring it fresh, I got to. Hope the time is right, hope you wait tonight up for me. Hope you get some love for me. You barely got trust for me, oh. You know that my love, not for sure.
Alright, so I just come back from the gym. There's not much equipment in there, so I can't do much. It was kind of like a quick relax, refresh, so you can get back to work. Yep. One package and the second package. So there will be a GoPro in one of these two packages. I don't know which one is it yet. So I think GoPro, the newest GoPro, you can use it to kind of like as like a webcam, which is very helpful for me. But I don't even know what these two package has. Oh my god, this is this is the battery grip. Hi. This might be the GoPro. I'm not entirely sure yet because on my app it says it's still not arrived yet. But oh, it is. It is. It's so cool. Oh my gosh. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Oh my god. I don't know. Like Instagram story. Alright, let me see how good this thing is. So I like new packaging. I hate the old packaging for the Hero 6, Hero 7. I don't have the Hero 8, but apparently it's the same little cute display thing. Wow, this is bigger. It feel very different from the Hero 7. This is what I really decide like to upgrade. This little thing, this little mounting thing down here. Cause on the Hero 7, if I have to mount it, I have to use the case. And on the case, if I rub the case, it will ruin the audio so bad. I mean, I'm not entirely sure if this gonna ruin the audio. I'm pretty sure it's not. But yeah, just a new thing. Like this is one of the deal breaker, I think. Let me upgrade. Guys, so right now I'm using the Hero 9 as the webcam mode. I'm using my Hero 9 as the webcam, but I realized a problem right here. So usually when I in class, I kind of just on my phone like this, and if the tighter field of view, you can't see it. From GoPro, this is wide option right now, and if I jump into linear, which is probably majority of the time I'm gonna use for, it's a little lag. It takes some time. Now it says it's linear, and if I use my phone, it's still gonna be in here. I don't know if there's audio improvement or not. And I can do narrow, which is the narrowest. And now I'm not, like, you guys cannot see through the webcam, see me on my phone. But the problem is, it kind of defeats the purpose of me using the GoPro as a webcam, because I kind of want that linear, wider field of view. Just look at this. When you open it up, it has an indicator that says linear webcam mode is turned on. I use this little GoPro 3-way down here I had when I was using my Hero 6. And yeah. Guys, look at this. Look at this. This is what I mean when I says it looks super cool. Imagine I just vlog like this. Hi guys. Today's vlog, we're just gonna sit here and look at these lights. Look at how cool it is. It is a little bit distracting when you just keep switching lights like this. I can definitely adjust it, but is it bright?